Everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. I am going to be unboxing one of the new planners from Kellofaplan that's releasing today. This is a 2026 planner, so I'm so excited to see some new planners rolling out our way. I have one of the planners from this collection. I believe there are two other styles, so if this style isn't really your vibe, there are two other styles that I'll go over in this video, but I have one of them, and I think there are two layouts per style. So definitely check out this site so you can see the whole collection that is releasing today. I have a planner, there's some sticker books, and then I have like little dividers and stuff. So I'm gonna go over all the things, but I first wanted to unbox the planner since we have it first here, and it is in a box, so I can unbox the planner from the box. But it comes in this really nice box, so it'll be very nice and secure when it travels to you, nice and packaged and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna open up the planner. So I chose a seasonal planner because I loved the illustrations from this theme, from this style, and I wanted to show like it comes packaged in the plastic and all that, how it comes. And then yeah, so this is the planner. Look how cute the designs are for this planner. I'm gonna unwrap this. The 2026 seasonal planner. Now, like I said, there are two other styles. If the seasonal vibe isn't really your vibe, there's a floral one, of course, because with Heather, there's always going to be a floral planner. And then there is a more neutral toned one if you're interested in that style. But like I said, I wanted to get a seasonal one because I love the illustrations in this one. So here it is. Look how cute. I like the 2026. This is your year, and then it's got some of the decorative seasonal items on the top. The discs are white and they are metal. Yes, they feel metal. And then here's the back cover. I love all the things on the back. All right, so then we're gonna flip through this book. Oh, inside is floral. So if you wanted to, if you got tired of this design, you could always flip it and have the floral as your cover instead. So I love when a cover can be used that way, just to change it up. Okay, so here, let's go through the planner. Oh, my lighting is really bad right here, but sorry for the glare. All right, so here's the name page. This is your year. We can put your name. All right, we have the calendar for the year for 2026, important dates, and then you can put whatever things are going on, kind of pre-planning before the year. You can start using it for things that are coming up in 2026. Okay, then we have the overview of each day for the month. And there's a little bit of design down the center. So if you like design, this is gonna have some cute little designs. And then this you can use however you'd want, but it basically has a square for each month that you can use to track however you'd want. You can do it for like memory keeping, maybe do like one moment a month kind of thing, or yeah, whatever you're focusing on, maybe your goals for the month or the year. Now we're getting into the dividers. So we have January, has all the winter fun stuff here. You have a dot grid page here, and then the dividers, if you're new to Kellofaplan's planners, they never have the calendar on the back, which I know a lot of people love, because then you can reuse these dividers in another planner in another way if you want to, which is great. We have a dot grid page, and then that leads into the monthly. So you have your January 2026 monthly overview here. Next, oh, I love the font style on this for the days. I got the vertical layout because I love a vertical layout. I believe there's a dashboard layout as well. So you have those two to choose from in this same style, which is great too. So, because sometimes I feel that maybe you like a style or you like a cover, but then it's not available in the layout that you want. You don't have to worry about that with Kellofaplan's planners. You get to choose which one you like the most. So yeah, we have the vertical layout here. Okay. It's neutral, which I like to see as well. Even though there's designs on the other pages, I like to have a nice, clean weekly page to work with so I can decorate however I'd like. So I love to see that. And then we get just a dot grid page here, which you can do however you'd want. You can make like a little currently memory keeping page. I usually like to use that as memory keeping. And then we get into February. Look how cute all the designs are. And then of course, again, the monthlies and then the weeklies. So that's basically the whole layout for this planner. I'm just gonna go over the dividers. So we have March, and then April, the Easter theme, Happy Easter. May, all the florals and rainbows and bows. June, oh, I love the tropical vibes here. July, you got 4th of July vibes, red, white, and blue. August, back to school. Love the colors on that one. September, fall vibes. October, we got Halloween. November, pumpkins. And December is Christmas. Love. Okay, and then here's the back. Inside cover, again, if you wanted to switch it around and then have a floral theme, you could do that. And then here's the back of the back cover. Back of the back cover. All right, so that is the seasonal planner. I want to put this the right way. I love the cover. So cute. Okay, so that is the planner. And like I said, there are 2 other styles. Definitely check them out on the site. All right, then we have some coordinating stuff. So for this planner, I have one of the coordinating items for this theme. There is these tab dividers that are seasonal. So I'm gonna go over these that you can get. And you can always put this, even if you don't get the seasonal planner, maybe you want some seasonal vibes in your planner, you could add this to whatever layout you plan on getting. But first we have some labels that you can use to label the tabs, of course. So like a lot of different variety of things. So you have the months that you can label them, work, passwords, kids, notes, self-care, gratitude, today, this month, faith, cleaning, all kinds of things that you could possibly use to label the tabs. Now let's go over the dividers. This is your year with all the things around it. Next one, you have a mixture of all the seasonal things. On this one, I like that it's just like on the edge like that on the corner. And then this one has it on the other side. And then this one has it on the bottom corner. And then the other corner. Cute. All right, so that is six dividers with tabs in this one. Okay, so that if you wanted the matching situation here, you could definitely pick up these. Or again, if you wanted to add some seasonal vibes, it'd be cute to add in some seasonal tab dividers. Okay, the rest of the things that I have are sticker books. So the sticker book for this theme is the seasonal stickers. So I'm gonna flip through these stickers, and then I have 2 more sticker books that show you kind of the style of the other planners. So those will be good to see. All right, so first is seasonal stickers. I'm excited for some seasonal stickers. Okay, first theme. So you get some functional stickers, and then you get the decorative stickers. So this is the winter theme here. These are all clear stickers. Oh, I love these little like washi strips. Those are cute. Okay, next theme. We have the Valentine's theme for February. So you can really coordinate. These would be great to use on the monthlies. Well, obviously the weeklies too. But I always like to have like a theme on the monthly. And so these would be really nice to use on those. But I'm loving these little strip editions. Love those. And oh, the conversation hearts. Cute. Okay, next one is March. So the St. Patrick's Day themed. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, this is the April theme, which is Easter, I believe. Yeah, but we have some nice florals, and then some of the Easter ones here. Some little quotes. Bunny love, the hunt is on, let's go hunt. Okay, next theme, florals, the butterflies, the rainbows and the bows. Oh, these cute little strips here. These are cute. Next one, tropical vibes. Love some tropical vibes. Tropical butterflies and flamingos. Love those. Okay, next theme is July. So 4th of July theme on this one. And then August. I love the color scheme of this one. The florals. Travel. Is this travel? Did I say back to school? I meant travel. That was totally travel. Okay, this looks more travel. I don't know why I thought it was back to school, but it's travel. Okay, and then we have the next theme. This is September. So we got florals and pumpkins. October is Halloween. Love all the spooky vibes. The little books, those are cute. The bats, again, love the addition of these in here. So, November, we're on November. Florals and pumpkins, cute. Then we're in December, which is Christmas theme. Florals, Santa, little Christmas tree, cute. Then we have some monthly boxes here, some more checklists and bullet points in a variety of colors. Lots of monthly boxes, which again, you could totally use this on your monthly and make a cute monthly spread using these stickers. And of course, weekly spreads too. All right, so that is cute seasonal sticker book. And that coordinates with the planner and the dividers. That is this collection here. Now I'm gonna go over the other two collections. Well, I have two sticker books. The first one is Brilliant Blooms. So if you're more into like floral theme, there is a floral themed planner that coordinates with this book. But I have the sticker book, so we'll flip through it and you kind of get a vibe of what that planner is gonna look like. So here's the first one. The blue florals, really pretty blue. Next one. I'm loving the size of these, pretty purple and pink. These remind me of like the first floral kind of stickers I used from the Happy Planner. Not the same exact florals, just the color scheme. I was like obsessed with these purple and pink florals. So that reminds me of those. Okay, next one, we have orange and pink. We got some pretty pastels here. And then the, ooh, I love these jewel tone colors here. Ooh, pretty purples. Okay, some bright colorful ones. Okay, some more colorful ones, some purples and pinks. The green. Next one. Yellow and orange. Ooh, that's a fun color combo. Kind of fall vibes on this one. Okay, next one. Orange florals, again, more fall tones. Next one. Kind of like brownish colors. And then this feels like Christmassy to me. Pretty florals. And then we get the monthly boxes in the back. And all the colors, all the colors. All right, so that is Brilliant Blooms. That's another theme that is going to be available. So definitely check out the other items that are going to be in this collection, the planners, and if there's other, I'm actually not sure if there's other like accessory stuff, but definitely check out that collection. Okay, and then the last one is Inspired Intentions. So the other collection is a more like neutral toned one, like very simple design on that one. So let's go over this one. Actually, is this one? Oh, this one's cute. Okay, this is a good one. So here's the first one. You get a bunch of functional boxes. I love all the sizes of the boxes and checklists and bullet points. And I love the different color tones. Like slight changes, but sometimes these slight color changes matter. Like I might need something that's more this tone than this one. So I like having a variety. So we have two of those sheets. Ooh, like I really like this like gray blue, greenish blue color. I don't even know what color that is, but it's kind of green. It's really pretty. Again, lots of different tones of this color. Purples here. Okay, we have some monthly boxes in those colors. Okay, so it looks like those three are the colors in this book. Okay, look how cute these doodles are. I'm loving the little doodles. How adorable. Got stars and hearts and little like crosses. This little dot one. Arrows are fun. Yeah, those are super cute. So we get some in a bunch of different neutral tones here. Green, little squigglies. Cute, cute, cute. Like purple tones. All right, and then these, okay, these I'll have to take off because it's hard to tell. But these are like little, they look like little strips, like you ripped, like kind of like washi, but these are really cool. They have a slight pattern to them. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's very, very slight. So they're not like a solid color. They have a little bit of a pattern, but again, it's very slight, but I like that subtle pattern. Okay, so you get 3 colors of those. Then you get the blue ones. Okay, there's actually different shaped ones. Like this one's a lot thicker than the other one I pulled. But again, you can see more of the ripped edge effect on those. These are adorable. Love to see those. But yeah, there's a bunch of different sizes in here. It's really, really hard to tell. This one looks bigger, longer at least. But I love the variety. Ooh, I want to put it back because I don't want to waste it. Put it back. Okay, that's fine. All right, and then we get the top 3 boxes. This is going to be like a bit more functional book. There's the cute decorative stickers, but we have some nice functional stickers. You can see the color schemes together here. Top 3. Oh, I like these little lined ones. Those are cool. Lots of checklists in all the colors. Bullet points. And then we have some headers or like things to do. Anniversary, birthday, breakfast, dinner, packing, list, laundry, paycheck, due date. And then we have some quotes. Stay strong, believe in yourself, keep going, love your life, inhale peace, exhale stress. Sorry, I can't, won't do that. So some nice quotes, and then you get them in black. Cute. Although this one has the line. I like that the line is green on that one. Really pretty book. This one's gonna be a good one to have on hand for just any kind of spread. I always have some like very neutral, basic sticker books that can work with any spread, and I feel like this is going to be a good one, especially since I really like the colors in here. I feel like I could use those in a lot of different spreads, so that's a really good one to pick up. Okay, so those were all of the items that I received from this new release. I feel like there's a good variety in this when it comes to the themes. So I feel like there's something for everybody's style and aesthetic, so I like to see that. And also just really love these books. Whichever planner you pick, you could always coordinate, like use these with the planner. So yeah, lots of good items in this release. Excited for some 2026 planners. These are the first 2026 planners I've seen so far this year, so that's super exciting because we're getting to new planner time, and that's always fun. But yeah, this is going to be it for this video. If you're interested in purchasing, I do have my affiliate link down in the description. If you want to use that, I'd appreciate it. I get a slight commission from that, so I thank you so much if you do plan on using it. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one.